What's up, guys? Welcome once again to this section and to this module. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through crypto.com verification, account creation and verification. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this and get verified quickly. All right, let me quickly remind you that this section of this course is about getting you started, giving you the prerequisites, every single thing that you need for you to make the money that we promised you, right? Every single thing that you need, like I told you in the welcome section, every workman needs a tool, right? So in this section, we are only getting you prepared for what is to come, which is the practical section. So all of the trainings that you've been watching all the while is just to get you ready for our practical section. So I urge you to take this section very seriously. Okay, make sure you get verified in each and every one of these accounts because you're going to be using it in our practical section. All right, so pay attention to it and don't forget, do share this course with someone. Okay, so having said that, we'll quickly dive into what we have for today. Okay, this is our website. First thing first, we are going to be doing crypto.com account creation and verification. So right here, all you just need to do is to head over to the official website of crypto.com, and that's crypto.com. all right, so type that into your web browser. So when you do that, it's going to bring you up to this page, right? So when you do that, click on exchange right here. So once you click on exchange, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, but if you search for crypto.com and it brings you directly into this page, sorry, I think I'm a little bit faster. Okay, so once you click on exchange, it's going to bring you down to the previous page that we had. This is it, right? So it's going to bring you up to this page. Okay, so once you are here, just click on sign up. So from here now, you just fill in your details. Okay, you just fill in your details. So as usual, we're going to be using Texo, we're going to be using Academy, and date of birth. I'm going to use my date of birth right now. I was born in 1993. Okay, this 31st 12 1993. What are they saying? Am I not up to 18 years? What was the problem? Okay, this is 211. Okay, I get it. Delete this 1993. Okay, I think that makes sense now. So where are you from? Wherever you are watching this video from, just type in your country and select that. For me, I'm in Nigeria. So you enter in your email address. Right now I'm going to be using texoacademy.com. so you enter in your password. You remember what I taught you guys about creating a password, right? Now it has to be 8 characters long. It has to include an uppercase, that's capital letter, and it also has to include a lowercase, that's small letters. You also have to add a number, that's digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? You can add any digit you want, 2000, 5000, 1 million, whatever digit you want to add. Then it must also contain a special character such as hyphen, @ hash, dollar, percent, and dots. Okay, so all of those things are the special characters that we have. So right now I'm going to create a password. So I'm going to be using Texo Academy. Now remember, whichever one that you include is going to show you a green button here. Don't forget, our color is green for this entire course. Our color is green. So wherever you see green, just know that you are getting it right. Okay, so it has checked 3 and remaining 2 right now, so I need to add digits, numbers. So 2020, let me start that again. Texo Academy 2020. Then I also need to add a special character, so I'm going to put at. Can you see that? So I've completed all of the checks. Okay, so I move into confirmation. So I type the same thing that I did previously, Texo Academy 2020 at. Okay, so referral ID. Personally, I am not really interested in the referral ID, but if you really want to put this, then you can go ahead and put run here. Okay, so you put this, then click on verify for capture. Okay, so you drag this logo right here. That's it. So next thing, you create your account. So I'm not going to save this right here because I already have an account previously. Okay, a crypto.com app account with that email already exists, or an account with that email already exists. Okay, so that's to show you that I already have an account previously with crypto.com. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you the back end, how it looks like. Let me use Academy Texo, and let me use this and 1990. Let me use Nigeria as a okay. Then yeah, I'm going to use Joe traderunning@gmail.com. I don't know if I've used this. I don't know if I've used that. Okay, let me change the email. Pop my be Joseph 98. Joseph Baby 98@gmail.com. So Texo here. So Texo here. Okay, run is still. Okay, check this. Click on it again. That's it. Check this. Create account. Let me see if this email. Damn, I've used all of my emails to create an account. Wow. Academy Texo Air 19 Nigeria. Okay, which email haven't I used right now? Okay, I'm going to use internet service at gmail.com. Let me use that. Texo Academy 2020 at Texo Academy 2020 at running. Okay, check that, verify. Push that to the right box. That's it. Create an account. Invalid referral ID. Okay. Referral ID. This isn't a must, but if you must do it, it isn't a must that you include it. AEAN, right? Okay. Okay, so it's not a must that you include a referral ID, but if you must do it, then you can use that code. Basically, I'm not looking for any favor from them actually. Still invalid. Oh damn it, take this off. I'm not interested in that. Okay, doesn't match. It should match. What's really going on, guys? Ads. Oh, trying to stress me out. Okay, that's it. So scroll down here, create an account. Let's see. Don't save. Okay, awesome. So right now it has sent a verification code to my email address, and here we go. So 630-666. Wow, that's a dangerous number. Okay, so right now I'm going to add a phone number. I think this is where it's going to hook me somehow. So let's see. Nigeria, because I doubt if I have any verified, any free phone number right now to use. This is Nigeria. Let's see, 57388. Sorry, I'm correct. So that's my glow line. Okay, this phone number has already been registered previously. Okay, so I'm going to be using another phone number right now. 6432 913. Let's check that. Okay, awesome. So they have sent an OTP. So I'm going to enter in the OTP that was sent to this phone number right now and verify these accounts. Okay, I'm holding on for them to send an OTP. Okay, so there we go. 081952. So that's it. That's it. Okay, so log into your account right now after doing this. So what was the email we used again? Internet service @gmail.com, and the password remains Texo Academy 2020 @ right? Okay, so we take this here. So we sign in. Invalid email or password, internet service @gmail.com. Is the password wrong? Texo Academy 2020 @ what's going on? Let's see. Let's try that again. Okay, perhaps I typed in a mixed figure. Okay, so your journey starts here. Deposit now in 2% and all of that. So I'm not interested in this right now. Will you let me go? Just let me go. Okay, so I'm not interested. Okay, so if you are referred by a friend, you have 10 days left. You can add the referral code right here. Okay, So but what I'm interested in right now is the second option, which is the middle option right here. So verify now. So that's the place you're going to click on. So once you are here, all you just need to do is to review your profile right here, your email, your phone number, and your name. Okay, so you are a starter, so you're going to withdraw anytime, $5,000 daily limit, deposit anytime, unlimited, trade digital assets. Okay, so I'm going to verify as a starter. Okay, so what's our middle name? Let's say Saints. So let's continue. So the next step now is ID verification and selfie after that. Okay, so all you just need to do right here is to kickstart the process and scan your ID cards. Okay, so I'm in Nigeria, so you select the ID card that you want to use. For me, I am using driver's license. Okay, so do you prefer to use your mobile? Right now I'm using my laptop to do this video, so that's why they said, do you prefer to use mobile? So if you click here, you're going to use your mobile phone. For those who are using mobile phone, all you just need to do is to download the app. Then you can do this verification, registration and verification with your mobile app, right? So but right here I'm going to say take picture. Okay, so front of driver's license. Okay, center your ID and take a photo. Okay, make sure all the details are correct and clear, right? So you just start. So that's the process of verification. So once you are done, because I've used my ID for verification previously, so it's not going to so this is it. Okay, so if you're using your laptop, it's going to pop up this page for you, so you can add you can scan your ID card to it. Okay, so once you do that, you tap here, it's going to click. Okay, so that's it. So you verify that and confirm, but I'm not going to use my picture right now for this. Okay, so all you just need to do is to do this with your ID card. Once you are done, you take the selfie and you are completely done. Okay, so once it takes you back to the exchange, when you log in, that means you've completely registered for your crypto.com account. Okay, so that's the process of registering your crypto.com account and verifying it very quick. Okay, so just make sure you are using the acceptable means of ID, either your international passport or your driver's license, or preferred your voter's card, the PVC. Okay, national ID card really doesn't work here. Okay, I don't know if any of my students have tried that previously, but you can try your luck if that's the only means of ID that you've got. Okay, so you can try your luck with that and let's see what it looks like. So if you encounter any challenge, don't forget to drop a question for clarification in our forum, and do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Texo Academy, so as to be notified whenever we make an update as it concerns this course. Okay, so that's it, guys. Congratulations on creating and verifying your crypto.com account. See you in the next video.